Hi guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I know I haven't vlogged in a while. I did vlog our Disney trip, and that was like over a week ago now. I filmed so much footage though, and a lot of it wasn't like vloggy footage. It was kind of like montagey footage, and so I figured that that wouldn't be very exciting to watch. And plus, that was taken around Halloween time. When we went was for like Halloween. And it's like pretty much Christmas season now, so I feel like it'd kind of be irrelevant if I put it up at this point. So I think I'm going to scratch that video actually. So that's why it's been a little bit for you guys since I posted on YouTube. But today is just a Saturday. I'm home alone and I've got a lot of stuff to do. And I thought I would bring you guys along. So I just crossed two things off of my to-do list so far. I have folded laundry, which you guys saw me see, and then I took a lot of photos for my shop for the holidays. I don't plan on getting a lot of business in my shop this holiday season, but I did want to have some cute holiday pictures for my Instagram. So I took a bunch and they look really cute. I took them in front of this little Christmas tree and with some holiday props, and they look really cute. So if you follow me on Instagram, keep an eye out for those. I also wanted to show you guys our Christmas decorations. My husband and I decorated our rooms a bit early for Christmas, but I don't even care because I'm so excited. And we live with my parents, as I have said before, and the whole house is decorated for Thanksgiving, so I don't feel as bad if it's just our two rooms that are decorated for Christmas. So that's how I'm justifying it. But yeah, I'll show you guys our decorations now. My, I guess this is kind of like my vanity, but it's like my dresser where I keep all my pajamas and stuff. But over here, I just put a little bit of Christmas stuff. I have this reindeer piggy bank, which I've had, since 2011. You can see it in the back there. I think I got it from Old Navy years ago, or Target, one of the two. And then these little things are all from Target last year. And my vanity is very cluttered right now. I'm actually going to work on decluttering a lot of stuff this weekend, and you'll find out why in a little bit. And then over here, this corner is just kind of a mishmash. This whole room, by the way, is kind of a mishmash, because this was my old bedroom, so like everything in here is still the same stuff from when I was like 18 years old when we moved into this house. So I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff, but I have even more that I need to get rid of. It's just hard to find the time to really declutter and minimize everything that I own. But I'm really gonna start doing that like before the holidays hit me and I become too busy with that. So yeah, over here I just have this little reindeer Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is one of my favorite things. And then over here on my desk, I have this little tiny Christmas tree. I think it's from Target a few years ago. It's just a little like blue teal Christmas tree. Underneath it, I have these salt and pepper shakers that are deer. I believe my grandparents got these for me, so they're very special to me. This is a Hello Kitty McDonald's toy that you can move and it'll show the date, which is super cute. And then all of the ornaments on this tree are from Target. Like these little deer are from Target this year. This is from Target a few years ago, but I believe they still have it. And then same with this little deer. And then over here, this is my nightstand with my record player, and then this band holds all my magic bands. So on here, I put this little Let It Snow sign, which I believe is from Target last year. This little tiny gingerbread house, I don't remember where it's from. And then this ornament from Crate and Barrel, and then my husband built this little Lego set and put it there, so I thought that was cute. And then I have a few Christmas things hanging on my wall. I have this ornament that I got from Target, as well as this cute little deer in the snowsuits. I think the bunny and the deer in the snowsuit are so cute. And then over here, I have a little deer hanging, and then right there also I have one of those little deer hanging. In my closet, I have another Hello Kitty dressed up as a nutcracker. I think that's all of my Christmas decorations in here. Again, mind the like cluttered mess that it is. I know it's embarrassing how much stuff I have, and I really am gonna go through it and try to minimize as much as I can. And again, you'll find out why in a future video. And then in my husband and I's room, it's kind of also cluttered right now, but that's just how it's gonna actually stay. Over here on this little like entry table, I have this piggy bank. My parents got me this years ago, and I think it's from Target, and it's super cute because it's a reindeer piggy bank. And then my husband also has another little Lego Santa over here. And then I think I'll start on this side. So I just have this cute little candy cane hanging thing. I think it's honestly from the Dollar Tree. And then getting on the table, I have this reindeer. I think it's from Walmart a few years ago. Again, all of this stuff is like from a few years ago. Most of it isn't from this year, so you probably won't be able to find most of it. This little tin thing with a cutout of Santa and his reindeer is from Target last year, and I have a fake candle in it. This little sleigh and reindeer combination, it didn't come together, I just like put it together. It's from Target last year, as well as those trees. I don't know where this little deer is from. It was an ornament, but the like string broke off. And then this doesn't go here. My husband needs to put that back on the shelf. And then over here, I have this fa la 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 sign from Target. These are some Christmas sum-sums. My husband and I collected sum-sums a couple years back, and so these are just a few from our collection that are super cute. I have another little one of those tins with another candle in it. And then getting to my bedside table, I was sick a while ago, so don't mind those tissues. I have a Pluto Christmas popcorn bucket from Disney World. My mom bought this for us 2 years ago, actually, and it's super cute, so I bring it out every year for decoration. And then up here, next to my little Peter Pan figurine, I have a little reindeer that's super cute. On the bed, I just have this giant Rudolph stuffed animal. Funny story behind this, my parents went to Busch Gardens last year, and my mom wanted to play one of those carnival games because you could win one of these. And it was kind of like, guess which box it's in, and she like just had a strong instinct that it was like the box that she chose, and she opened it up, and sure enough, it was this Rudolph, and she won it for me because I love deer and I love Rudolph. So that's like really cute and really special to me. And then this little reindeer stuffed animal my husband bought for me when we were dating a while back. On this wall with my husband's closet, I have this "Everyone Deserves a Snow Day" sign with Bambi and Thumper, and this we got at the Disney Character Warehouse outlet, and I think we only paid like $10 for it. So that is like one of my favorite decorations, and it's so cute. And then down here, I just have one of those Disney Christmas reusable bags hanging just to kind of like add something festive. And then this is our Christmas tree. It's right by my husband's guitar. equipment. But the Christmas tree I bought last year from Marshall. I bought it pretty early in the season because it was on a really good sale. So I think I paid like $25, and it's a really good size, and I like the multicolor lights. And then all of the ornaments that we have on it are mostly from Target. We have some Disney mixed in here. This was the year that we got married. I have a lot of deer because they're my favorite animal, and bunnies. Bunnies are also my favorite. We have a couple of these Lego ornaments that my husband built. He really loves Lego, if you can't tell. He also loves Scooby-Doo. That's his favorite cartoon. And then we have my favorite, Hello Kitty. Got another Scooby-Doo. This was our wedding ornament that my parents got us last year. This one is one of my favorites. It's from Crate and Barrel. This one's also from Crate and Barrel. Crate and Barrel has some of the cutest ornaments. So yeah, that's our tree. And there's a little tiny tree skirt down there too, and it's super cute. And then over here, you're not going to be able to see it that well because of the lighting, but I have our little mini stockings. So my husband has Mickey, and I have Minnie, and then I have this little banner with a sleigh and some reindeer. So I think that's pretty cute. Hopefully you can see it. And then over here I have this Be Merry little metal sign that is from Target. And then on my husband's nightstand table, which is super messy, it's got all his like everyday items on it. He also has another Lego Santa Claus. So yeah, that's how we decorated our rooms for Christmas. We don't have a lot of space, as you can tell, because it's pretty tight in some parts of our room, especially the other room is just really tight, and like that's all of my stuff, not even my husband's stuff. But yeah, that's how we decorated, and I think it's pretty cute. I can't wait until we have our own house one day so we can decorate our whole entire house however we want, and we'll have plenty of space for all of our stuff, and I won't have to feel so cramped. Like, even if we lived in an apartment right now, we would have way more room than we do now. But I'm thankful to live here rent-free and to not have any overhead. It really helps us save a lot of money for our future. I also quickly wanted to share something really cool that my parents did for us. They built, well, they didn't build, but they installed this barn door in the hallway that like connects our rooms to the rest of the house. We used to have a curtain hanging here for privacy, but my parents actually like upgraded it to a barn door. I think it looks so nice, and obviously they love the look of it too because it's their house and it matches the rest of their house. But I just think it looks so cool, and it's really nice because it gives us a bit more privacy than just the curtain, and then it just goes into our rooms. But now I'm actually going to get crafty. I have to plan in my planner. I have to. It's not like a priority, but I make it a priority just because it's my way of memory keeping. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then I actually have to film a sit-down video that you guys won't see for a while, but I want to film it now because it's happening in my life now, if that makes sense. So yeah, you guys will see that video a while from now. It's a really fun announcement, but I can't say anything yet. I have to wait until everybody else knows, essentially. Alright, so I just finished my spread for the week. I decorated it for Christmas only because on Wednesday we went to Disney World and we did a whole bunch of Christmassy things, so I felt like it was like the start of Christmas season. For the next couple of weeks I'll probably go back to doing fall spreads, but for this one, since we did so many festive things, I wanted to make it Christmassy. It's pretty simple. This is one of my favorite washi tapes, this Silver Star washi tape. I think I got it in a subscription box a while ago. This cat washi tape, I think I got it on clearance at Michael's a while ago. I honestly haven't bought washi tape in years, so all of them are pretty old and probably discontinued. But as far as stickers go, all of the stickers are from my old designs besides this one, and this one. They're from a calendar sticker book that I've showed before. This one from Target. But other than that, I kept it pretty simple this week. I didn't want it to be too busy and too overloaded with Christmas stuff. I'm not in love with the way it looks, but I think it's okay. Like, I think it'll do. Yeah, I think it's pretty cute. If you're wondering why my hair all of a sudden looks better and I have a little bit of makeup on, it's because I just finished filming that sit-down video I was talking about. It went really well, I think. I had to film it on my phone because the camera I bought, I don't have a big enough SD card for it, so it'll stop filming like every 30 seconds and it doesn't let me know when it stops filming. So it's very, very annoying. But yeah, I don't really know what else I have to vlog today. I always start these vlogs thinking, oh, I have so much to do today, let me vlog. And then I get it all done within like 2 hours and then I have nothing else to vlog. All I have that I need to do is I just need to clean a little bit. I need to clean our bathroom because we're having people over tomorrow for my dad's 70th birthday party. So that'll be fun, but other than that, I have nothing else to do today, which is actually really good because I have been so busy this whole week. I was busy on Monday, Tuesday I worked, Wednesday we went to Disney World, Thursday I worked, yesterday I was busy and I ran some errands with my mom, and then today I had a lot on my to-do list, but again, I just got it done really, really fast. So it's almost 1 o'clock and I'm going to take the rest of the time until my husband gets home to relax and chill in bed and watch some YouTube because I have been wanting to do that for the longest time. So I'm going to treat myself and be a lazy person. So yeah, sorry if this vlog was super boring. I promise you that they will get way more exciting in the future. Like, I know that for a fact this time. So yeah, hope you're all having a wonderful week and I'll see you next time. Bye.